Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to solve this beautiful math problem which is involving the square roots. Let's start the solution, pause the video and give it a try on yourself. Now let's start the solution. The question is that square root of 18 plus square root 32 minus 50 divided by 72 square root. Now the condition is that you don't have to use the calculator. You must not use it. Okay. The first thing you should notice here that there is something common. Have you noticed it or not? Well, 2 is common in all of these. So we will separate 2 from all these terms like this. This 18 can be written as 9 times 2 with the under root plus 32 can be written as 16 times 2 minus 50 can be written as 25 times 2 divided by 72. 72 can be written as 36 times 2 like this. Okay, now this 9 can be written as 3 square times 2 under root plus 16 can be written as 4 square times 2 square root minus 25 can be written as 5 square times 2 divided by 36 can be written as 6 square times 2 under root. And now we can cancel these squares with the square root for these numbers with the square. So we can write this term as 3 under root 2 plus 4 under root 2 minus 5 under root 2 now divided by 6 under root 2. Now under root 2 can be taken as common like this. Under root of 2 into 3 plus 4 minus 5 divided by 6 under root 2. Now this under root 2 can be cancelled with this. So, and this 3 plus 4 minus 5 is equal to 2. And we can write it as 2 over 6. And this can be written as 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. So the final answer is 1 over 3. This is the answer. Thanks for watching the video. Like and share it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.